Hey there! Are you a proud owner of a Subzero refrigerator at home? Subzero refrigerators are great because they are known to have the best food preservation capabilities and designs. However, like any appliance, they can experience problems from time to time. Some common issues that may occur when you use a Subzero refrigerator. 1. Ice maker not working. If your ice maker is not working properly, it could be due to problems with the ice maker itself or other parts of the refrigerator. If you have an issue with your ice maker, talk to one of our technicians about how we can help. 2. Water dispenser not working. If your water dispenser isn't working, it could be because there is something wrong with the dispenser itself or another part of the refrigerator. In this case, we can help get everything back up and running like new again. 3. Refrigerator not working. There are many reasons why a fridge might stop working properly. Some common causes include power failures and circuit breakers tripping due to overloads on circuits within homes or businesses, where appliances draw too much power from electrical lines, which can happen when multiple appliances are plugged into one outlet. We understand that you've got a lot of things going on in your life. You're busy, and maybe your Subzero refrigerator is giving you some trouble. You can't just ignore it. Your food will go bad. But what do you do? Well, I'm glad you asked. Like I've mentioned earlier, you can turn to Subzero Appliance Repair Houston. We specialize in Subzero refrigerator repair, ice maker repair, and wine chiller repair. We're the pros when it comes to getting your appliance up and running again as quickly as possible, so that you can get back to living your life the way it was meant to be lived. Full of delicious food, and not worrying about whether or not it'll go bad before you get a chance to eat it all up. Contact us today for your Subzero refrigerator repairs. Dial the number above. See you in our next video.